Hi guys, welcome to February 24th. So this is the last day of the week of the trading days. So today you must be profiting from gold again. Gold, okay, it's the second or third time. If you've been following me since first day, so gold has been profiting for third time. Okay, so if you have watched my video yesterday, you'll notice that I've hosted a seminar about more than 1,000 people on Wednesday. So what we talk about in the seminar is how much of a chance that a bubble will burst in 2017. And not talking about the big recession happening going on right now, because I will talk about this topic on Monday. But today I'm talking about kind of midterm adjustment, right, of the stock market. So other than gold, then we start to take profit from the stock markets. So one signal is the US 10-year yield curve, which I've talked about yesterday. So if you look at the yield curve, then we will see after December, then really that the yield curve is going narrower and more narrow. Okay, so the people has less and less confidence in whether US is doing bad or US is not doing as good as they was thinking. Okay, they were thinking. Okay, so the confidence is low, and plus the US index, if you see, is really a good signal from yesterday that the USD is the second chance that you should be really bearish of this dollar index, right? So yesterday is the second chance. If you're smart enough, you should have bought gold yesterday, because I did, because I told you all the positions which I bought gold, and then today it is going up again. It's not always about the accuracies. It's always about planning, being proactive before anything happens. So people, hardworking people, we see a lot. Smart people, we see a lot, but not that many. They're clever and hardworking. So we really need to do something to win, to profit a little bit more than other people in the market. So this is what I want to do, is the main direction. So what is the main direction right now? So gold, you can keep it profiting because people are kind of concerned about the economy. First of all, today, there's one data that you really have to pay attention of, is the new home sales. We always ignore or underrate this data, right? But this data, when it comes back, it directly affects the US leading index, which they do a lot of day trades, they really heavily relying on the leading index, right? So if this is bad, then it directly affects the USD and also the yield curve, and the money is going out of US again. So when the money is going out of US, you will see US dollar is going down. Then you can buy gold, oil, silver, platinum, Australia, which I bought some euro last night. A little bit of euro. You can pay attention of. The main direction is that we are starting to be bearish of US dollar. Then you have to buy anything that is going to play against the US dollar. Then you may profit. If not, you can kind of hedge your portfolio. So right now, when should you take profit of your stock market, the stock from the stock market? So there are few signals. So first of all is the new home sales. The expected value is 570K. Okay, if this is less than this level, then you will see, first of all, the US dollar is coming down, and then you will see people kind of panic, will buy gold more. So the next target of gold should be 1275. Let me tell you, it's 1275. Of course, the risk is a bit higher than before, because I've been talking about gold since 1180, right? I said the target is 1200, and then 1220, and then 1245, and now it really broke above all four targets, and the next one is 1275. So whenever it drops below 1240, you can cut loss. Okay, that's the fact. Because for me, I don't care, because I profited for 3 times, but it's kind of for hedging, right? Because I still have pretty much of the stocks holding in my portfolio right now. So for me, it's 99% stocks right now. It's just 0.57 cash right now. So Yesterday, I finally starting to sell a little bit of my stocks, just a little bit. So today, or my time is tonight, is to time. So when USD comes down, wait, first of all, the new home sales is bad, USD comes down, and the yield curve is bad. Probably that will make the Japanese yen go strong. Then the stock market is really bad. But the commodities like gold will be really good. So you see the pattern here. So you can sell some of the stock, buy a little bit of gold. Or you really love your stocks, you can also buy a little of the gold to hedge your portfolio. That's the point. So when the market adjusts, you adjust less. When the market goes up, because you choose some assets that will outperform, they will outperform the index. So you go up a bit more than index. That's the key. So that's a quick update for you guys for today, last day of the week. So then you can prepare and you can settle down your portfolio and have a relaxing good weekend. Hopefully, so hopefully you can repeat the video again and copy down and write down, jot down the notes, which of the data or signals or what to trigger to do something about it. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and also like my Facebook page. And please, we can comment and talk about anything you want to talk about or any problem you are facing with. You can talk. You can leave me a comment below. Then you see I'll be replying for all of your comments. So if you want me to do something else or any clips, any ideas, please let me know. So I will see you Monday. Monday there's a big topic is an educational video that will talk about the big burst. What is bubble? Is it a burst in 2017? There's a signal that is 100% true in the past 60 years. I will see you next week. By then, have a good weekend. Bye.